Hey there, Jeffrey here from Sephora Pro.
And I'm Becca on the education team at Sephora.
And we're here with another boxing video for Play by Sephora. And this month is the month of August.
Yes, and the theme is beauty school. So we are going to take you to beauty school to show you some classic products, help you brush up on some old skills or new skills that you haven't learned yet.
Now, important to remember that you're not going to get everything that we talk about in this video. We're going to select some products and curate them based off of what you selected in your Play profile. So I say we jump into beauty. Let's get started with makeup, shall we?
Love it.
So first up is everyone's favorite subject, makeup, of course. And this box is full of products that are going to help you get an A+ on any Beauty Pop quiz.
So the first product we're going to talk about is the Anastasia Brow Gel in Clear. This is a must-have, like universal product for anyone. It's a clear gel and it's no fuss, so you can use it for any type of brow color that you have. It also has a conditioning formula in it that's not going to leave a residue. So you're going to get a nice benefit to it and it's going to lock those brows in place.
Cool. Now I know you kind of like to cheat on your beauty exam by sort of taming your brows with these guys, right?
Oh, totally. If I go a couple weeks without getting them threaded, I usually use one of these just to make sure that I look put together.
So next we have a product from NARS, and this is the Pro Prime Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Primer Base. Love this guy because it actually is translucent, so you can put it on before you put any eyeshadow to increase durability and color payoff, which is really great. And this guy also has some anti-inflammatories in there, which is going to help to soothe any inflammation and irritation on the lid.
Plus, I know this guy is transparent, so no matter what eyeshadow shade you use, it actually won't blend together.
From Makeup Forever is a product that you're actually wearing.
Yes.
This is the Artist Rouge lipstick in C211. It's a beautiful kind of rosewood shade that looks good on any skin tone.
I like how it's like highly saturated, where it looks like you just did one or two swipes and you're getting like a really intense color payoff.
It's actually doubly pigmented, so it has twice the pigment load of most lipsticks, so it goes on super smooth and instant color.
Totally. I can feel it has a really smooth satin finish. It's almost like buttery, so I think it's going to help hydrate my lips throughout the day.
Absolutely obsessed with this product. So from Grande Cosmetics, we have Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. Now this guy is awesome for getting that fullness and volume.
Yes. I know you put this one on me too.
It's amazing.
Yes, I can feel it tingling on my lips right now.
Yeah, so much fun. So this is a cooling, minty, hydrated lip plumper that's chock full of a proprietary ingredient called Volulip, which helps to kind of swell the lip, give you a smooth finish, and prep your lips for any lipsticks that you're going to apply later.
I know. Do they look bigger?
Yes, I love it. It looks really good. So next up is a product that's pretty universal. So universal that I'm wearing it too.
I have it on too.
I love it. This is from Benefit, and it's the Hoola Matte Bronzer. Now, this guy is perfect for transitioning your look from the summer sun into your school time woes, right?
Totally. Totally. It's going to bring my glow back.
It will. It'll bring your glow back, right? So you're just going to apply this just to the top of the cheekbones. Don't forget the temples, and it'll give you amazing kind of matte sun-kissed glow. Love this guy.
So another product that I'm wearing right now that I love is the Ciate London Glow 2 Highlight in Moon Dust. This is a velvety formula that's a pearlescent pink hue.
I gotta get a swatch of that.
Totally.
Ooh, so beautiful. It feels like butter.
Yes. So it's really blendable. And what's great about this formula is that it's not glittery. So it's going to give you that nice, radiant, dewy glow, which I loved. You know I'm obsessed with my highlight product. I can't live without it.
Exactly. Can't leave the house without it.
Totally.
Right?
So this is definitely my new favorite highlight that I have. Are you ready for a French lesson?
I guess. I think so.
So it's the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara in black. It's a volume-enhancing mascara that's going to add volume and length. It has a really good formula and brush that's going to give you a targeted application when you use it to give you a really dramatic, voluminous effect that lasts up to 24 hours.
Yes, and I love how creamy it is. It's definitely a false lash effect. I mean, you're wearing it, right?
Yes, I have it on right now, and it's totally clump-free, which makes it easy to use.
Beautiful. Love it.
I love this. So let's talk skincare. From moisturizers to masks to serum, this month's box is going to be your skincare refresher for all of the must-have products you're going to want to add to your routine.
Now, first up is a moisturizer from Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. This is the C+ Collagen Deep Cream. Now, this is a really intensely hydrating moisturizer that's quick absorbing into the skin. Love that. So it's great for makeup application and prep.
Awesome.
Then it's also got a lot of vitamin C in there, which is going to help firmness and elasticity, help with fine lines, and boost radiance before you put on your makeup.
Love that. So that's going to help give me my dewy complexion.
Exactly.
Perfect.
Now, next up is a product that's great to recover from an all-nighter of studying. This is from Laneige. This is the Water Sleeping Mask. Really great to put on before you go to bed, and you're going to wake up to plump, hydrated, glowing skin. It's full of ingredients like hydroionized mineral water, rose, orange flower, and sandalwood, which is really great for boosting hydration and softening texture in the skin.
I know. I love to use this when I travel because I feel so dehydrated after the plane. So this is perfect for a night after traveling.
Exactly.
If you have stressed skin, this next product is going to be incredible for you. So this is the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. It's like a 2-for-1. So you're going to get a purifying clay mask and also ingredients that are going to help to refine your pores. So think like deep cleaning and also silky smooth skin, all at the same time. So this contains a Mediterranean rose clay, which gives it its pink color, the Canadian willow herb, and then also the jojoba beads to help cleanse the skin, refine the pores, so you're left with a silky smooth finish.
I love it. It matches your top.
Yes!
So cute.
So an amazing product for anyone's skincare routine is going to be the Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Serum. So this product has a patented formula featuring bifidus extract, which is that ingredient that's going to help to improve the elasticity and tone the skin.
Oh, cool. Sounds like an A+ to me.
Totally. You'd totally rock any skincare exam with this.
Okay, so with this next category, I know you're no freshman.
No. So hair is my area of expertise. I'm a hairstylist.
Oh, cool. So you would know all about these products. So maybe you can give us some tips and tricks.
Would love to. So the first product that we're going to talk about is by Living Proof. It's TBD Multitasking Styler. It stands for Tame, Blowout, and Deconstruct. Not
cool.
To be determined.
Okay.
But that is with your hairstyle to be determined with this product because it's so versatile. Almost any hair type or texture can use it. By taming, you can actually use this product on wet or dry hair to smooth it out.
Okay.
B, blowout. So you can use this as a styling cream when you're blow drying your hair. And then D, deconstruct. So you can use this to help enhance any type of wavy texture or beachy look that you're creating, like the hair that I have today. The next product you can use is Moroccan Dry Texture Spray. So if you can't let go of your beachy braids from the summer, or maybe you have a wedding coming up in the fall and you have an updo, this is going to be the perfect prep step before you do any of that styling. Okay. It's a weightless texturizing spray that's going to give you some airy texture, some volume, and it's also not going to be sticky at all. So it's great to use on a multitude of different hair types and styles.
Oh, cool. Sweet. And of course, the hair category wouldn't be complete without a product from Way.
Oh, love Jen Atkin.
Obsessed. So this is the volumizing spray for hair. Now you can actually use this on damp hair and blow dry through it to get more volume.
Yes, so you would target the roots with this product before you blow dry to get a little bit more of that volume. Also, really love the fragrance of this.
Smells amazing.
Totally. I am pretty sure it was inspired by her favorite candle company.
Oh, cool. Good to know.
That's little fun fact.
Yeah.
And what's awesome about this product is that it's pretty lightweight, and so when you blow dry the hair, you're not going to get that sticky residue that some people worry about when they're using a volumizing product.
Okay.
So you really can't go wrong with using this product to get lasting volume.
Okay, so brushable, touchable, volume, texture.
Exactly.
Obsessed.
Me too.
So no Play by Sephora box would be complete without some beauty bonuses. So of course from Way Hair Care we have Volume Shampoo and Conditioner, Way Hair Care Repair Shampoo and Conditioner.
We have Dry Bar Southern Belle Volume Boosting Shampoo and Conditioner. We also have the Amika Velveteen Dream Smoothing Shampoo and Conditioner. And we have the Amika Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo and Conditioner. So don't forget, in every play box is your playbook. The playbook is going to give you all the information you need for your new products and tips and tricks.
Also, this one has a really fun, cute beauty pop quiz in it to celebrate the theme.
Can't
I love
wait.
that. Also, attached to every playbook is going to be your Play Pass. Now, this guy is redeemable in store for 50 extra Beauty Insider points with any purchase. And as we know, the more points, the more goodies.
Yes.
Love that. Also, be sure to tag us at #SephoraPlay because we want to see you enjoying the products just as much as we do.
Totally. And tell us what you learned in the comments section.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Ciao for now.
Okay, ready? Action.
No, just Becca. No, is it just Becca? Okay.
Help her out, just two.
Okay. Hey there, Jeffery here from Sephora Pro. Okay. Hey there, Jeffery. Ooh.
Oh, Anastasia.
Oh, she's fancy.
It's time to get into some skincare.
I think I'm gonna get my brows tinted and microbladed.
I want that. Not tinted, but microbladed.
I want both. I need it. I'm gonna go for it.
This is a powerful anti-aging serum that's it's gonna help do things is the TBD multitasking styler, and it doesn't mean to be continued. It actually means
Determined.
tame. This Mediterranean rose clay, which gives it its beautiful pink color. It also has Canadian willow herb in it, and it has one more thing that's really going to help your skin.
That's the bloopers. There it goes. There she has it.
It was so good. Fun flow.
Fun flow. Yeah. Slay.
I'm sweaty.